PageFly.
Hi guys, welcome to the PageFly tutorial series. And in this video, I will introduce to you how to use Shopify Product Media element in PageFly pages. Product Media element is an improvement of Product Image element. Now it supports 3D product image and product video, which helps increase the visualization of your product details section. You can upload 3D image and video of the product in Shopify admin. 3D image here. And video here with an embedded link. Only YouTube and Vimeo videos are supported. Here is the PageFly product page editor. Drag and drop any product media element you like into your editor page. Two choices for the product source: auto or custom product. If you choose custom, click select to choose the displayed product. Now look at the product media here in this product details. Choose default variant media. This is pork variant. Let's check it again. Click on product details in the breadcrumb. Do you see? Default variant is pork. How about two other options? Featured media and first variant media. In Shopify admin, this is featured media. And this is first variant media. Turn on the set fixed height option if you want to adjust the height of the product media. The maximum height is 2000 pixels. With the media hover action option, you can set up animation when hovering the image. If you choose enable image magnifier, the main image will be magnified when you hover on each of them. If you choose show hover image, the default image will be replaced by another image after a 0.3 seconds delay. To choose the hover image, go to the hover image option. You can see there are 4 options here: next image, last image, random image, all images. I will choose the next image. Scroll down to the image click action option. There are 3 options to choose when clicking on the product image. Choose the link to product option if you want to link the image to the corresponding product. Choose show full screen image if you want to view full screen with taps/clicks on the image. I will choose link to product. If you choose none, nothing happens. You also can show the product media list of this product. If you choose to show, you can customize its position here. You can choose the position for the list with 4 choices: top, right, bottom, and left. Choose the layout for the media list and it will be displayed as slide or grid. Change items per slide here and item spacing here. Enable show badge option if you want to show a badge on your product image. There are 4 positions for you to choose: top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Click product badge on the page editor. You can see it shows the discount and stock left of this product. You can remove one option and add it again. You can check and adjust them in Shopify admin. You can also add custom content for that badge. In this video, I will change the default text to be on sale. You can also apply this product badge to specific products. When you enable apply product condition. With the belong to collections option, you can apply this badge to all products or products in custom collections and click plus sign here to choose the collections. The contain tags option allows show badge only when the product contains one of the defined tags. In this case, the defined tag is meat. This option just can apply to the product that is added to the Shopify admin. You can adjust the size of your badge by changing the padding and margin parameters. You can also change the background color of the badge as I'm doing. For media list item, you can style for the 3 states of the header such as normal, hover, and selected. You can choose the border style here. And click more settings to set up border radius. Hit publish. Let me know if you have any question under the comment section below. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.